everybody. My name is Aleskandr. I'm CEO in Tebin, innovative engineering company in construction sector. Can you imagine innovations in conservative construction sector? But we do. Construction is the biggest industry in the world, but not performing well. Overrun in budget and time is normal there. And today COVID-19 is forcing us to change. World is going to be digital, do we like it or not? Tebin is multidisciplinary engineering team. We design buildings and factories by using building information modeling. So we are architects, structural engineers, electrical and mechanical engineers, and we create advanced information models in order to use them during design and construction and facility management as a digital twin. By using virtual design and construction, we solve all the issues in the office before we go into the construction site. We provide engineering services from Ukraine to Europe, these days to Germany, Poland, the Netherlands and Switzerland. According to feedback from our clients, when we design office, for example, by using building information modeling, clients save up to 10% of the capex costs during construction and up to 30% of the time during construction and design, and develop and educate engineers in Ukraine, clients, partners, by example, to change way of working. We see big potential for the cooperation with UK companies, especially in the field of the building information modeling, by contribution to construction sector deal and industrial strategy of the UK. We are looking for engineering and construction company, plant operators and developers in order to combine effort and improve construction industry and our businesses. Let's get in touch.